Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring safety and connectivity. Turn off the HVAC power. This protects equipment and you. Once done, remove the old thermostat and take a clear photo of the wiring so you can match letters later. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi name and password. Nest requires a network to download settings and updates. Now, attach the Nest base to the wall, thread wires through, and loosely connect them to their labeled terminals so you can adjust placement before tightening. With the base mounted, push each labeled wire into the corresponding Nest terminal, press the small tab, insert the wire, and release so it locks. After wiring, restore power at the breaker. Nest will boot and guide you step by step. Follow prompts to join your Wi-Fi, choose your system type, and identify heat or cool stages. This lets Nest control staging and safety. Make sure to test the heat and cool outputs in the menu, so the thermostat confirms each relay works before finalizing. Finish by setting your location, preferred temperature units, and whether you want auto schedule. This trains Nest to learn habits and save energy. Link your Google account so you can control the thermostat remotely and enable Home/Away Assist to automate presence-based adjustments. Once configured, run a final HVAC test from the Nest menu to confirm heating and cooling respond. If the system does not react, make sure the common C wire has power. Recheck breaker power and restart the Nest. This fixes most connectivity or power detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.